Subbies, I am here to share with you some amazing beginner chapter books. Before I get into this amazing video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of these awesome upcoming videos that I have to share with each and every one of you sensational Subbies. Let's get into this awesome video. Chapter books are a way to make reading even more fun. These ones combined a few pictures, but still have the feel of a chapter book with writing and chapters. These are some of my personal favorites. The first one I have to share with you is Mrs. PIGGLE. This is an amazing book that has been a favorite of mine for years. I love the cute stories and how Mrs. PIGGLE frankly has a cure for everything but the kitchen sink. Children who squabble, parents who are tired of arguing with their children when it's time to go to bed, children who are slow eater, tiny bite takers, children who are rude to their siblings and also rude to their parents. Another favorite of mine is the JUNIE series. This is another favorite because it stars this adorable little girl, JUNIE. She has so many terrific tales that are sure to keep both you and your child laughing and entertained for ages because of how quirky and funny JUNIE honestly is. And there are so many amazing books to the JUNIE series. Here are two of them that are my personal favorites. JUNIE Jones is Not a Crook, and JUNIE Jones and the Stupid Smelly Bus. The final book that I have to share with you is also one of my personal favorites that I also really love the TV show that it had created because of these books. This is the Goosebumps series. This one in particular is Goosebumps, Be Careful What You Wish For. This is an amazing series because there are so many amazing books that's created by the talented and wonderful writer R.L. Stine. These books have beautiful covers that are sure to engage all readers because of how detailed the covers are and how well the covers are designed, so you can't wait to get into the story and find out what happens next. And once you finish the book, when can I get more of these amazing books, because I cannot stop reading them because they are so well written and so entertaining. I hope these wonderful suggestions for books have helped you out a lot because they have all been a personal favorites of mine and I really truly enjoy them. And I hope you enjoy them just as much as I do. They are fun to share for the whole family. Mrs. PIGGLE, Goosebumps, and JUNIE Jones. Another awesome place to check out amazing books like these is on Amazon. Make sure you also check out my Amazon affiliate links. They'll be in the description box down below. I love using my MacBook Air. It is an amazing all-in-one computer. I use it to play The Sims 4, which runs beautifully on it. I also use it to record some of my YouTube videos as well as to edit them using the incredible free software iMovie. It makes it super easy to create professional quality videos in the blink of an eye, and it is so easy to learn how to use to create absolutely memorable videos as well as capturing those home movies and turning them also into masterpieces. I love how it is a very lightweight laptop and has phenomenal battery life, so I can use it anywhere when I am on the go. It is a beautiful laptop, amazing quality. I am really happy that it exceeds all of my expectations of what I'd want a laptop to do. And I also really love using my Kindle HD 8 tablet by Amazon. It is an amazing tablet, wonderful e-reader. I love downloading ebooks and audiobooks on it while I'm connected to Wi-Fi, and then when I'm not on Wi-Fi, I can still enjoy these amazing, wonderful books because they are already downloaded to the device. Such an amazing way to carry thousands of books with you without needing the strength of Hercules. Absolutely wonderful for us bookworms. I also really enjoy using my Amazon Basics tripod. It makes filming super easy so you can get that perfect angle for your videos and it is super easy to set up, but above all, amazingly affordable, which is my favorite part of it, outside of the fact that it comes with an adorable carrying case, so you don't have to miss out on any of those amazing moments. They'll all be in the linked description box down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Comment down below what your favorite chapter books are. I'd love to know. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in my future videos. Until next time, subbies, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. See you in my next video. Bye, subbies.